In this video, we'll show you how to add and customize an image gallery widget on your WordPress website using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what an image gallery looks like. The image gallery widget allows you to create an attractive image gallery on your WordPress site. Using this widget, you can easily select, drag, and drop multiple images at the same time. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Elementor Addons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down, and look for responsive Elementor add-ons. Now, look for the REA image gallery widget. You can also type REA image gallery in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this image gallery widget. Under Edit REA image gallery, you will see 3 tabs. Under Content, in the Layout tab, you can select the layout of the image gallery that you want to showcase. You can display the image gallery in the form of a grid, masonry, a justified layout, or an image carousel. Next, you can select the images that you want to show in your image gallery. In the grid, masonry, or the justified tab, you can choose the number of columns that you want in the image gallery. The filterable image gallery feature allows you to display images assigned to their respective categories. You can switch between the categories by clicking on the upper tab with the category name assigned. In the Additional Options tab, you can adjust the image size and choose the click action. You can set the image click action to Lightbox, so that when you click on any image, it will show up on a full screen. You can also set the caption of the image to be shown in the Lightbox, add zoom, social share, and download links for that particular image. Now, let's go to the Style settings. In the Layout tab, you can adjust the columns and rows gap. You can also the vertical alignment for the images. In the Thumbnail tab, you can give a scale effect to resize the image on hover. You can also set the opacity and opacity color for the images. This tab also allows you to set different Instagram-like effects on the image. You can also set the overlay color. In the Caption or Description tab, you can add the caption on the image or on hover and adjust its settings. Under Filterable tabs, you can customize the filter tabs on the top and change the color and padding. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to the image gallery, set the background color, and customize the borders of the widget. You may also choose a mask for your image gallery and adjust its positioning. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update, and there you go. You have a customized REA image gallery on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons and WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.